Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Human Migration. After watching this video, you will be able to define migration. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि migration क्या होती है. You will be able to differentiate between voluntary and forced migration. Then you will be able to tell the meaning of seasonal migration. You will be able to describe the problems faced by migrants. Then you will also be able to explain animals migration. As human beings migrate, similarly animals also migrate, and you will be able to know why do animals migrate. So let's enjoy the video. Migration, movement of people from one place to another. As people move from one place to another since olden times. Why do people migrate? We will know further. But the definition of migration is movement of people from one place to another. As in this picture, you observe that people are moving from one place to another with their families and with their goods also, with their belongings also. So movement of people from one place to another is called migration. Now if we talk about the time of early man moved from place to place. As you have already read about early man's life, that early man moved from one place to another in search of food and water. Then he started growing crops on a piece of land, and when the soil became unfertile, he shifted to another piece of land. This type of migration was called shifting agriculture. Means जब अर्ली मैन जमीन के एक टुकड़े पर खेती करता था और जब वो मिट्टी की उपजाऊ शक्ति खत्म हो जाती थी, वो मिट्टी अनफर्टाइल बन जाती थी, वो जमीन अनफर्टाइल बन जाती थी, तो वो जमीन के दूसरे टुकड़े पर माइग्रेट हो जाता था. तो इसका मतलब अर्ली मैन भी माइग्रेशन करता था. मीन्स माइग्रेशन इज अ प्रोसेस which has continued since the time of early man. Now, types of migration. Migration is mainly of two types. One is voluntary migration. इच्छा से माइग्रेशन. जब हम अपनी इच्छा से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह माइग्रेट होती हैं. That is called voluntary migration. When people move on their wish or choice for job, for education, and for better climate. As we see these days that many people move from one state to another, from one country to another for better jobs, for better education. As many students these days are moving abroad for better education. This is called voluntary migration because they move on their own wish or their choice. Then second is forced migration. When people move due to natural disaster or man-made disaster. Natural disaster means kudarti आपदा. For example, floods, tsunami, these are natural disaster. Then man-made disaster due to fire, that is man-made disaster. Due to terrorism, that is man-made disaster. As many people moved from Kashmir due to terrorism, that was man-made disaster. जो आदमी ने विनाश किया, जब लोग आदमी के द्वारा विनाश किए जाने के कारण मूव करते हैं, दैट इज फोर्स्ड माइग्रेशन. देन जब लोग नेचुरल डिजास्टर कुदरती विपत्ति के कारण मूव करते हैं, दैट इज आल्सो अ फॉर्म ऑफ फोर्स्ड माइग्रेशन. It means forced migration is due to floods, due to tsunami, due to terrorism, and due to fire also. What about the migrants? When they move from one place to another, they have to face many problems when they move from one place to another. They live without basic facilities like shelter. They have to live without their home also, and proper sanitation, and also the facility of safe drinking water. They live without these basic facilities. It means they have to face many problems when they migrate. No doubt, migration migration also brings them some problems, but migration also brings them joys. Sometimes when they move on their own wish or choice. For example, if the students today, if the young generation today is moving to abroad, they may have better future there. They see new places, learn about new customs, new traditions, new dresses, new dances. So migration becomes a moment of joy for them. Migration brings them happiness also. Till now, you have read about the migration of human beings. Now, you will be surprised to know that animals also migrate. They migrate for better food supply. They migrate to that place wherever they can have better food or safe place to breed. They sometimes want a safer place to give birth to their young one. So animals also migrate. Sometimes birds also migrate. Bird like canary bird that moves to India, comes to India the during winter season. That is bird migration. It means not only human beings but also the animals as well as the birds migrate for better food supply, for better place to live, for better place to give birth to their young one. My dear students, now you have come to know everything about migration. Now, after the completion of this chapter, you will have to describe everything through picture talk, and the success criteria for picture talk will be identification for 2 marks. You will be assessed for identifying the picture and you will be given 2 marks for identification. Then for explanation you will be given 3 marks, and for correct knowledge you will be given 3 marks, and for your confidence you will be given 2 marks. And I hope that you must have enjoyed this video and you will have gained very much about migration, types of migration, reasons for migration, and results of migration. And I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Thanks a lot.